Once you cross over, you have to go back and fill, especially if you're making sick. I always buy something if I'm in here using the internet, so that's a temporary tip.
Thank you.
And then a good neat notebook, I'll say. Yo, did you discover the riddle answer? The clue?
I
what?
think it has to do with driving.
Did you look it up online?
No.
You did. You
No.
looked up popular riddles that involve whales.
I have not. I'm
Okay.
not.
The answer is simply you cross the English border. See, mate, you rent a car.
Oh, I get it.
In London, preferably, and you travel to Wales. That's how you get to Wales in a car, mate. See, I know these kind of things because I travelled with Brits, so I know how you get to Wales in a car. You drive from London. It's about an hour drive. It's not very far at all. Hey, worst joke you guys will hear all day. Are you guys getting everything ship shape?
Oh yeah.
Alright. Swabbing the deck?
That's right.
Alright. I don't think you should ever really jog because it seems like the healthy thing to do. But jog in a way that's meaningful. You can't just puff along like, this is healthy. Healthy, good for me, healthy. It's good to push yourself sometimes. Jogging just because you have heard it to be healthy. It's like dating a girl because she has a dog that you like. What's up with Stephanie, dude? She's mean, she's not that pretty. Yeah, but her Dalmatian is like the perfect color pattern. Poodles right there. You got the chocolate vanilla set. Looking as... Will do. Looking as adorable as well-pruned houseplants. Good-looking dogs. A wetsuit is not a dry suit. What volume on that? Hey. James Bond wore a dry suit. Party. I went sailing today. Stayed dried in my wetsuit. Let the instructor keep his street cred by bringing us all the way into dock. And didn't do a whole lot of jibing though. Swung the boomstick pretty fast at one point. Put the jib sail up for almost a full stop. Small waves, big boat, stayed dry. I'm alive, I lived, it was real cool. I wonder things like, is this natural floodland, or is this something man has done? What was all the greatness of Rome all about? The similarity between saying there's no place like Rome and there's no place like home. Hearing things like in New York, it's kind of all about who you know. In California, there's plenty of hot girls on the meat market, and that's sort of about what you have. with his songs, and he likes to sing along. Happiness, and he likes to shoot his gun, but he don't know what it means. Don't know what it means, and I say, any questions? You could compare me to his level. Like, how do you rate? I give it a 4 out of 5. Frequency evaluating, on the go sort of thing. How do you value an old coin? Coin collectors can do it because they know what the cost is on the market. The buyers will buy what? What is the frequency? Kenneth? I never asked. Dad always had a look of me like I was just a pet with my parents. It's a parental pet. Looking over at me every now and then, passenger side of the car. I could have made a better kid than you somewhere else. Whatever, go do my own thing then. See you later, Dad. Got aquariums to tend to. Two things that make me a near driving master: I don't celebrate my disasters, and I don't over fantasize. I'm not infatuated with my ability to romanticize. The hollowed hush all over the world, in the forest all over the world. It's so cool in the forest. I thought that George Lucas could own part of this land. All he's done in the entertainment world. Probably has claimed some of it. That old feel, that old clean sense of real. Forget all the cities and all things that are shitty. Just be clean in the woods and hike and remember sweet little girls saying things like, "Bye, Ann." Take parking at the trailhead. There's only one spot. It's in front of the fire line. Could hike down the trail and hike back here really fast if there's a fire anywhere, so that road would be clear. Busy day, busy day. After a while, everything started to become a bad reminder of too many bad things. Didn't seem like a worthwhile place to be. Sentimental in good ways or not. Something I've forgotten to do, something I've forgotten to let be with me, is to remain in tune with the natural harmonic. Keep that a theme. To see how beautiful the trail is from the other side of the trail. Oh, the sign should be away from the road. Less inviting to people just dropping in, you say. All the way from here, I can see my shining car. I can see my car shimmering. Now where the video gets really interesting. This little looking lizard, this swift of some kind, is gonna move. He's getting scared of me, he's curious. He's thinking about moving somewhere. He's a brave one, he is. Do-do-ba-da-do-do-ah. Do-do-ba-da-do-ba-da-do-ba-da-do-do-do-ah. heard somewhere the biggest animals on this planet are bees. I feel good in the woods. Anywhere where there are bees, please. Big because they're the biggest of the real animals, or animals, in fact, that are all animal. What's the frequency, Kenneth? Someone said enlightened beings have no sexual biases. Old man trying to be cute for the little girls whose club he wants to be in. Shouldn't have all these people just sort of wandering in from the street, especially if they're rival males, don't you think? On trails with meaty vegetation and lots of insects. My dad's still alive. 30 seconds away. All the oyster bars are. Hey, it's people. I forgot what people were. Is that where all the oyster bars are?
Yeah, Tamales Bay.
What's it? Tamales.
That's Tamales Bay.
How far does this go?
You can get up to the top of a beautiful viewpoint raise. It's
Up there, huh? The view's nice from here too. Out there. None of that's me. None of that city is me. I sleep all night and sometimes work all day. What a manly and imposing shadow.